Today, we present Thermo King Alarm Code 17 in transport refrigeration equipment. Alarm number 17, classified by Thermo King, for its severity and marked in yellow, indicates that the motor driving the refrigeration system's compressor has not started. In this situation, it's crucial to perform a series of checks and procedures to identify and resolve the issue. Here are some considerations to keep in mind when trying to pinpoint the cause of this failure. 1. Check that the battery has the appropriate voltage, and test the battery's ability to retain its charge internally. 2. For instance, with the equipment turned off, the voltage should be above 12 volts, and with the equipment on and the alternator functioning, the voltage should be higher than initially measured. This indicates that the battery is recharging. To make these measurements, use a multimeter on the direct current voltage scale, DC voltage. 3. Examine the interface circuit board for fuses and relays, looking for a fuse that controls the fuel cutoff solenoid, typically labeled as F3. Also, check the condition and connections of the relays involved. 4. Inspect the control connectors for pushed pins, and check for any open or broken cables at this point. 5. If your model is equipped with an electric backup motor, also check the electric motor's clutch to ensure it is not seized. 6. Inspect the condition of the starter motor connections. 7. Check if the starter motor responds when attempting to start the equipment, meaning if the solenoid engages the motor needed for ignition. The starter motor engages with the diesel engine through the starter solenoid. Once the diesel engine starts turning on its own, the solenoid disengages the starter motor. 8. The fuel solenoid system controls the flow of fuel to the injection pump, affecting the engine's operation. Verify if this solenoid is functioning. 9. If the system cranks but doesn't ignite, inspect the condition of the fuel system components and their connections. 10. If necessary, perform a purge of the fuel system,